That's where the Lotus Method comes in. It's inspired by the lotus-flowering, incredible plant that grows in muddy, dirty water, yet still rises above the surface, clean and beautiful dot. Just like the lotus, you can learn to rise above temptations, chaos, and distractions by following 4 core stages: root, stem, bloom, and thrive. 1. Root. Build your mental foundation. A lotus cannot grow without strong roots. Likewise, you can't build discipline without a strong mental foundation. Start with clarity. Why do you want to be more disciplined? If your why isn't strong, your discipline won't last. You need a reason that anchors you even when it gets hard. Control your environment. Discipline isn't just about willpower. Your surroundings matter. If your phone is next to you, you'll check it. If junk food is always in the kitchen, you'll eat it. Make discipline easy by removing temptation before it starts. Start small. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Start with tiny habits. Wake up 10 minutes earlier, do 1 push-up, read for 5 minutes. Small wins build big momentum. 2. Stem. Strengthen self-control. Just as the lotus grows tall in the mud, your self-control should stay strong no matter what's going on around you. Use the 5-second rule whenever you hesitate getting out of bed. Starting work, hitting the gym countdown from 5 to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. This snaps your brain out of overthinking and into action. Practice delayed gratification. Don't eat the snack right away. Don't check your phone just because it buzzed. When you train your brain to wait, you're training it to obey your long-term goals instead of giving in to short-term urges. 3. Bloom. Master. Deep focused, the lotus blooms when it reaches the surface. And once you've got control, it's time to unlock deep focus. Time block your tasks. Don't work only when you feel like it. Set specific time blocks for deep work. Turn off all notifications, put your phone away, and commit fully to 1 task at a time. 4. Thrive. Sustain long-term discipline. A lotus doesn't just bloom, it keeps thriving. The same goes for your discipline. Track your progress. Write down how disciplined you were each day. If you slip one day, don't let it become 2. Bounce back right away. Shift your identity. Don't say, I want to be more disciplined. Say, I am a disciplined person. When you see yourself that way, your actions will start to match. Now that you understand the Lotus Method, here's your challenge. Pick 1 habit you want to build. Maybe it's waking up early, working out, or reading consistently. Apply the root, stem, bloom, thrive system for the next 7 days. Track your progress and see just how much your discipline can grow. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with the habit you're working on. Love to hear your journey.